friends, welcome back to DENAIR Channel. This is Lin. We previously introduced our DENAIR Series products, oil-free screw air compressor. Today, let's take a look at our DACY Series iso-portable screw air compressors. This product mainly consists of 5 important parts. Firstly, the heavy-duty Yanmar diesel engine is suitable for long-term operation. Secondly, extended components such as smart gun high-performance electronic products. Then, the DENAIR feature ensures a longer lifespan and saves maintenance costs. Next, the automated operating system can help operators quickly master operational skills and achieve remote control. Finally, chassis, damping chassis, and wear-resistant tail. DENAIR DACY Series is the most popular product among customers. It has been sold well in many countries and regions around the world, and is widely used in various industries such as construction, offshore drilling, oil and gas industry, sewage treatment, road maintenance, mining, drinking water pipeline laying, water well drilling. If you are interested in our DACY Series, please feel free to contact us anytime. Okay, that's all for my today's videos. See you next time. Bye bye.